Can the DJI Neo 2 survive these obstacles? Let's find out. In this video I'm testing my drone around trees and tight spaces. We are now outside and we are firstly going to test the obstacle avoidance in bypass mode. So here it is. It's set to bypass, so now we can check if we get the drone in the air. Yes, it's going. It's in normal mode, it's pretty windy. And we are going to fly right into the tree. Let's see what happens. There's the strong wind warning. And the Neo has done it. It's done. Oh, it didn't see that tree. It got an error in the left corner of the screen. And the error is going away. We're going to fly right to this tree now. Oh, and yeah, the bypass mode is set to normal, to lefty. That you know that. And here we are, up in the air again. We are just going to fly straight into the tree. And as you can see also in the left corner that the drone sees the obstacle. And right into that tree. And yes, it stops. It's working good. We are now just going to go down. Oh, we are going to fly under it without the obstacle avoidance. And now we are under that tree. We are just going to put it back in normal mode again. And we are going to do the automatic RTA.
Return to home.
Ooh, that was a crash. That was almost a crash. How is it going to recover itself? How is that going to work? It's flying around it. It's working, it's working. It's working fine, it's working good. It's coming its way back to home. Now we are just going to do the return to home with obstacle avoidance again.
Take off. Home point updated.
Back in sport mode. We are going to fly for a little bit. So back into that tree. Almost hit it by myself. And so now it can go RTA.
Return to home.
And it's working, it's working. It's searching its way out. And easily. For the last round we are going to fly at a high speed to the tree in normal mode. So we are going to fly from a pretty big distance to the tree and see if it detects it.
Take off. Home point updated. Obstacle sensor unavailable. Fly with caution.
Oh, no, drone. Just fly backwards. Just fly backwards. Yeah, you're going around. Yeah, it works. It's out of the tree. To do one bonus round, and we are going to do it in, I would say, bypass. We are going to fly to the street lights and see if we can detect them. We are taking off now and we are going to fly to it. It's super windy, so I hope we find them. So that was close. We are going to test it again. Oh. And we are going to fly through there a little bit faster, please. I'm giving full throttle. So normal mode again, and it's flying. It's doing its job. It's doing its job. If we now put the stick forward, it's going to fly around them. And again. Up to this one. Yeah, it detects them. Now we are going to test in brake mode. Yeah, it sees the lights. That was a crash. No damage. You're good. The real test to still fly. Nothing. Yeah, it turns on. And it flies back normal. Let's try. Full throttle. Yeah, it's doing it perfectly. Now, yes, as we can see, sometimes it didn't detect small things, but most of the things it just sees. It just flies around them or brakes for it. And take in mind, it's pretty windy today. We are back indoors and overall I'm really happy with the DJI Neo 2. Make sure to like and subscribe so I can keep making more videos like this.